just want to jump on here and make this quick review video of this Jack Jack from Walmart. This thing is amazing. It's Jack Jack and the Raccoon from The Incredibles 2. And it is amazing. The box is actually really pretty. It shows all the stuff right here that he does. He lights up and he makes sounds. But this is the light up. You gotta poke his belly. There goes his face. Let's see if we can pick that up in the dark. There we go. His eyes light up. That thing is actually really, really cool. Like I said, we got this for our little boy for Christmas. I'm a big Incredibles fan. I can't wait for him to make a third one. Let me know down in the comments who your favorite Incredibles character is. And as always, please have a wonderful day and like, share, and subscribe.